Later, Ellie, later. Pag sinabi nila. Baba mo muna. Oh, mag-gloves kayo. Ellie, isuot na yung gloves mo.
Make sure na alpag-ligid po meron ng materials to make some burger macro dahil this time, sabay-sabay tayong gumawa ng ating burger macro.
Yung mayo, spread mo dun sa tinapay, ha? Later. Mag-spread ka muna ng mayo. Ellie, later.
Sauce. And then after that, we will put another bun and make some burger.
No, no. Hindi ganyan, anak. And then you spread the mayo. Spread. Use the spoon. Tinanggal na yung gloves. Oh, enough na. And then spread mo. Spread it. Yan, like that. Sa kabila, ganun na ako. Right? Yan yung kabilang buns. Lagyan mo dito ng mayo. Put it another mayonnaise.
Okay, this time, pagtapos na gumawa ng burger macro, magkakaroon muna tayo ng picture taking together with more burger macro. Na akong tapos gumawa ng burger macdo. This time, yung tapos na gumawa ng burger macdo, itaas ang kamay. Dahil i-assist ni Ate Rose and Ate Pam to make the wrap the burger macdo.
O later, irarap nila yan. Irarap nila yan, baby.
Okay, very good.
Ellie, smile ka, Ellie.
Okay, for this moment, yung tapos na gumawa ng burger macdo, pwede nang kainin ang inyong burger macdo to have a real time.